Hey friends, if you encounter the error where printer driver was not installed, element not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the issue, through the resolution. Now, here's the first approach. First of all, try downloading the printer drivers from the website itself. For example, I have a Canon printer, so simply search for Canon 3010 driver download. So I have a 30121, but it still counts into 3010. So I'll go and download these drivers. Now I'm showing it for Canon drivers. Obviously, if you have a different system, you will have to download it accordingly. Now click on open, and that is done. When you click on open, it will automatically open the exe file. If you have an HP or an Epson printer, please go to the respective websites. Now, if this helps, which it will in most of the cases, then well and good. If not, then try an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. And the last solution is to run the printer troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.